Hi everyone, today I want to talk to you about rapport. Now for years we've been taught the importance of creating rapport with our customers, that without rapport it's harder to sell a car. But I have a problem with this. First, we must understand that the two parties involved in a sales transaction have two completely separate agendas. See, the salesperson wants to sell the car today and for as much gross as possible, and the customer wants to make the purchase when they're ready and for as little as possible. So how do you build rapport in this situation? Now, I decided to look up the word rapport in the dictionary, and this is the definition that I got. A close and harmonious relationship between two people. Then I looked up the word harmonious, and that definition was something that is soothing and comforting. Well, from my experience, for most people who buy a car, our sales process is anything but soothing and comforting. So I would like you to remove the word rapport from your sales mind and adopt another word, and that word is like. All you need to do in the sales process is get the customer to like you, not create rapport, which in many cases takes days if not months to achieve. Just get the customer to like you. And how do you get them to like you? By being kind, generous, and personable. Not by being an aggressive salesperson. Get them to like you and you're halfway to a sale. Give this some thought. I think you'll come up with your own version. Good luck, everyone.
Thank you for watching my video, and I hope I inspired you. If you enjoyed the content, please like, share, and click the subscribe button. Once you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell so you can receive more content like this every week. And should you have any comments or questions, I'd love to hear them.